Today I am going to be using the new Morphe 39L Hit the Lights palette for a quick tutorial. So let's get started. First of all, I am priming my eyes with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Snow. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade My Type to start transitioning. The next shade we're going to use is the shade Makeout Sesh, kind of a cute name. The next shade we're going to use with a pencil brush, and this is called Obsessive, and it's a black sparkly shade. It's really nice. And then I'm going to do it on both eyes, and then of course I have to blend it out. The next shade I'm going to apply with my finger, and it is called Flirt Alert. It's a really nice gold sparkly shade, and it applies like a dream. I didn't even need to use any glitter glue, and it's really, really creamy. And I apply it to both eyes with my finger. Okay, so off camera, I applied my foundation and my concealer, got my face prepped, and now we're working on the lower lash line. And I am going back into that color Obsessive with a teeny tiny angle brush. And then of course, we're going to blend it out with the shade Hookup. Next, we're going to work on my brows, and I used the Morphe Gel Brow Kit with pencil in the shade Hazelnut. And it's honestly the easiest way to do my brows. I hate doing it. Now I am going to use a teeny tiny pencil brush for my inner corner and my brow bone for highlight in the shade Vibing. Off camera, I did my lashes with mascara. This style is House of Lashes in Iconic Light, and I think they turned out really nice. And here's the final finished look.